A WordPress theme allows you to change the look of your WordPress site, and not just the color or the layout, but also things like the font style or size and color of the links, and a whole lot more. Well, in this video, I'm going to show you how to locate, add, activate, and even customize your themes. Now, there's a couple of different ways you can actually locate and add a new WordPress theme. One way is by going directly to wordpress.org/themes and browse through the different themes that have passed somewhat of a quality control check to be allowed inside of the WordPress theme directory. Now, there's a whole bunch of themes out there that did not pass that quality control check or did not even apply to pass that quality control check. But when it comes to looking for a free WordPress theme, I would stick with only those that are within the WordPress theme directory. Plus, there's a whole bunch of quality commercial themes out there that you can pay good money for, and even some commercial themes here as well. But if you are dead set on just checking out free themes, this is the place to go. And browsing through these free themes, you can do that a few different ways. One is by going through those that are listed here under featured, or those that are listed under popular or latest. Or if you've got a pretty good idea as to the name of the theme, you can just type in that name here under